Hi, boys and girls. It's another day of social studies class, and we are looking at our target today. I can look closely at a globe so I can identify places. I will know I have it when I can tell one way the United States and Mexico look different on a globe. Our focus today. Places do look different on a globe. We still are using our geographic tools like maps that show the United States, maps that show the world. And I want you to notice over here, this is the continent of North America. And I have a globe in our classroom, and it shows all of the continents on the world. Here's North America. So places do look different on a globe. Some places are smaller or larger areas of land. So it may show you how big one area like the United States or the continent of North America is. It also has different colors on it. So on this globe, the United States is yellow. Canada is orange, and Mexico is green. So all three of those countries are different colors because the designer of the globes and the maps want those areas of lands to really stand out. So they make them different colors so that you can really tell how areas are alike and different. I want to go over some vocabulary with you today. Map is a flat drawing of a place or a part of the world. There are tools on maps, like a compass rose. And on this map, here's the compass rose. Compass rose tells you directions like north, south, east, and west. There are also legends or keys on a map. This map has a legend or a key, and it tells you if there are any symbols on the map and exactly what that symbol represents or stands for. Our next vocabulary slide is the United States. The United States is the country that we live in. And one of the states that is a part of the United States is Kentucky. And Kentucky is the state that we live in. North America is the continent we live on. And there are other countries that make up North America. The United States, Mexico, Canada, Greenland, some countries in Central America, some islands in the Caribbean make up North America. Geographic tools. Those tools are tools that help us to see areas of land like maps, globes, and photographs. Photographs are geographic tools. Photographs help us to identify what's in a place, a landmark of a place. Globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. And with that word model, I want to talk to you about what that word means. Model is a small copy of something large. I really can't bring the earth in here for you to see. It is huge and it's not possible. But I can have a globe that's a smaller version that represents the earth. And that's what a model is. And we will talk more about models in science class too. So that's going to be a word you're going to hear a lot this year. Our focus today. What can we learn by looking at a globe and reading the words on it? I've talked to you a little bit about just looking at the globe, and you can see that a lot of it is blue, which represents water. The earth is about 3/4 water. But did you know you can read a globe too? When you look at the words, you read them. Here's Europe. Here's Africa, South America, and Brazil. Here's North America, Canada, Mexico. So it's important that you read the words on the globe. Just like a map, the words on a globe are important. They tell you the name of the place and show you where it's located. So if we look at the United States is north of Mexico. The United States is south of Canada. Okay. This is a slide that two children have a globe, and it shows how they're using the globe to pick a location or a place where they want to visit. So it's just a cute little video to show you how you can use a globe and what a globe can be used for. The next slide is a geography song. And I put that in there because it's just a catchy little tune that I hope kind of sticks with you. It's got some words to describe a map and a globe. So when you're looking at those next time, you may want to think about some of the words that are in this catchy little tune called the geography song. As I look at this picture of a globe, I see a light brown section on the globe. And I think that's a huge area of land. It covers a lot of that part of that globe. I can read the United States on it. That is my country. That is your country represented on this globe. It shows North America, the continent we live on. There's a lot of blue on the globe. What might the blue represent? We talked a little bit about that, didn't we? And do you remember what the blue on the map represents? It's the same blue. It's the parts of the water that's located in that area on the globe or the map. Blue is water, and that's what it represents. I want to talk to you a little bit about your turn to do the work. I've walked you through using a globe and the importance of reading the globe, looking at it, looking at the areas, and how we can use a globe. I want you to look closely at this globe. The United States is yellow on this globe, and it's the country we live, where we live. How does the United States compare to Mexico? I want you to think about that. When you compare two things, you can tell how they are different. I want you to think, How does the United States look different than Mexico on this map? You have a spiral notebook that I want you to write a complete sentence to explain one way the United States is different than Mexico. Remember, a complete sentence has a subject, which is the who or the what the sentence is about, and it has a verb. That's what makes it complete. So in your spiral notebook, remember to put the date at the top of your page so that you know on today's date, this is what I was focusing on in social studies class, and this is my sentence to tell and explain how the United States is different than Mexico on a globe. The reflection part of our lesson today. I want you to always be a learner. Every day, I want you to think, what can I learn new today? How can I add to my schema what I already know? So I want you to think, what did I discover? What did I learn? Was there a time that I got stuck? So I want you to think about that. And it's okay to get stuck, but work through that. Enjoy learning about using a globe and the continent of North America. Enjoy today.